are non-fungible tokens. What that actually means is that these cannot be exchanged, and each piece is unique, and it can be anything. It can be a piece of art or music or even a token that you created. In fact, this video could be an NFT as well. So each piece is then tied to a token on the blockchain. Remember, this technology is supported by blockchain, which basically means that one digital NFT or one piece of art can only have one copy and one owner. There cannot be any more copies. Only you own the original, and that's what makes it unique. But you can transfer the ownership, you can send the token to your friend, and blockchain technology is used in this for authentication purposes so that the ownership records can be maintained.
Look at the technology. The technology of NFT makes digital ownership possible for the first time ever. So before the concept of NFTs came, there was no way for you to own a digital image. All you had were copies of an image which everyone else could have. But here, because of NFTs, you could be the owner of a digital art, and only you on the internet would own it. I definitely see NFTs catching up in India. The way I see it is that the first set of adopters of NFTs, and it's already happening, are Indian artists who are able to now digitalize their art and sell it on the global market. Because the beautiful thing about NFTs is anyone on the internet can buy what you create. So a lot of Indian artists are onboarding.
Now remember, it's not rocket science to create NFTs. If you have an art piece that you believe is of value and is unique, and you believe that can fetch you a couple of crores, you can create your own NFT as well. So I can sell this video as an NFT, for instance. I mean, don't mind the extra dollars coming my way. So there are a couple of those apps these days. So you have MetaMask, and you also have Ownerify. Upload your NFT on any of these apps, enter the price tag that you want to quote, and of course generate a token. And if your art is liked by others, you could be a millionaire.